The center of a circle is O. 2p minus 1 comma p. Find the value of p if circle passes through the point q 10 comma minus 2 and diameter a 10 root 2 unit. Center of circle is O. 2p minus 1 comma p. Center of circle is O. Circle passes through the point Q. Circle passes through the point Q 10 comma minus 2. Diameter is 10 root 2. If diameter is 10 root 2, then radius will be how much? 10 root 2 upon 2 means 5 root 2 unit. Or OQ is what? OQ is radius. So OQ equal to 5 root 2. So we have this condition, OQ equal to 5 root 2 unit. We use this condition. We find OQ by using distance formula. By using distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 minus plus whole square equal to 5 root 2. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get, squaring both sides, we get 2p minus 1 minus 11 whole square plus p plus 2 whole square. 5 square is 25, root 2 square is 2 equal to 15. So we have 2p minus 11 whole square plus p plus 2 whole square equal to 50. Expand this by using identity a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Here p plus 2 whole square. Expand this by using identity a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equal to 50. This is 2p whole square, 4p square. 11 square is 1 to 1. 2 to the 4 or 4 into 11 minus 44p plus p square plus 4. 2 to the 4p equal to 50. So 4p square plus p square is 5p square minus 44p plus 4p is minus 40p minus 44p plus 4p is minus 40p. 121 plus 4 is 125 equal to 50. Shift 50 into LHS. We have 125 minus 50 equal to 0. So now we have 5p square minus 40p plus 125 minus 50, 75. Take 5 common. P square minus 5 is 40. 5 into 50 is 75. Divide both sides by 5. We get P square minus 8p plus 15 equal to 0. Do factor. 15 equal to 5 into 3. P square minus 5p minus 3p plus 15 equal to 0. Take p common. P into p square, p into 5, 5p. Here p minus 5. So minus 3. Minus 3 into p minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15 equal to 0. So p minus 5 into p minus 3 equal to 0. So value of p is 5 and 3. So value of p is, this implies p equal to 5 or p equal to 3. P equal to 5 or p equal to 3. We have to find center of the circle. We have center of a circle. We have to find value of p. So our answer is p equal to 5 or p equal to 3. Again understand this question. Center of a circle is O. Find the value of p if circle passes through the point Q, 10, minus 2, and diameter is 10 root 2. So diameter is 10 root 2, so radius is 10 root 2 upon 2 equal to 5 root 2 unit. So OQ. So OQ is 5 root 2. This is condition which we have in this question. Find OQ by using distance formula. Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So 2p minus 1 minus 10 whole square plus p minus plus 2 whole square equal to 5 root 2. Squaring both sides we get 2p minus 11 whole square plus p plus 2 whole square equal to 5 square 25, root 2 square is 2. 25 into 2 is 50. Expand this. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equal to 50. 2b square is 4b square, 11 square is 121. 2 to the 4 into 11, 44p. This is p square, this is 4, 2 to the 4p equal to 50. Simplify this, we will get 5p square minus 40p plus 75 equal to 0. Take 5 common. 5 into p square minus 8p plus 15 equal to 0. Divide both sides by 5. So we have p square minus 8p plus 15 equal to 0. Do factor. We have p minus 5 into p minus 3 equal to 0. So p equal to 5 or p equal to 3.